Hello everyone, do you know how a high-quality tattoo needle is produced? What details should we pay attention to in the production process to ensure that we use it safely, stably, and efficiently? As we all know, in the world of tattooing, clean lines, smooth shading, and consistent output all begin with a small but essential tool, the tattoo needle. In an industrial facility in eastern China, NISIMP DIA tattoo needles are beginning their journey. Today we follow the camera into the heart of the production process. Everything starts with medical-grade Japanese 304H stainless steel. Its purity, hardness, and diameter precision will ultimately define how the needle performs. Inside wire drawing machines, the steel is continuously stretched into fine needle wire. Each strand must remain smooth, uniform, and completely free of burrs. The wire is then cut to precise lengths and carefully straightened. Only segments that lie perfectly flat on a mirrored surface, with no warping or bending, are accepted. This step is essential for all precision processes that follow. After cutting, the wire undergoes a critical process, annealing. The cut needle wire is placed neatly into heat-resistant trays and heated in a furnace to approximately 400 degrees Celsius for a full 24 hours. At this temperature, internal stresses are released and the metal structure is reorganized, giving the wire greater toughness and long-term stability. After annealing, the wire becomes significantly more resistant to deformation, allowing it to maintain precise geometry during grinding, grouping, and welding. This step lays the foundation for the needle's overall stability. In its raw form, the wire is cylindrical and cannot enter the skin effectively. Here, the tip is ground into a gradually tapered shape. Taper determines how the needle enters the skin and is one of the most critical steps in the entire process. A long taper creates gentler penetration, lower resistance, and cleaner lines. A short taper delivers more power, higher ink flow, and faster saturation. Even the smallest deviation at this stage can directly affect the final tattoo result. Polishing removes microscopic burrs from the wire surface, making the metal smoother and more refined. A clean surface allows for more accurate grinding and a smoother, less traumatic penetration into the skin. Needle grouping is the process of arranging multiple needles into specific configurations. Each needle must maintain identical spacing, height, angle, and curvature. The precision achieved here determines whether lines stay clean, shading remains smooth, and color packing appears even and full. Whether RL, RS, or RM, every needle configuration performs only as well as the accuracy of its grouping. Before welding, the needle bars undergo ultrasonic cleaning. This process penetrates microscopic surface gaps, achieving a level of cleanliness that conventional cleaning methods cannot reach. Welding secures the grouped needles to the needle bar. Weld points must be small, precise, and stable, with extremely accurate temperature control. The more precise the weld, the less vibration occurs, the less the needle tip shifts, and the more stable the line becomes. Fine line, geometric, and realism styles especially rely on flawless execution at this stage. At the same time, cartridge bodies, tips, and rear caps are formed in the injection molding workshop. Precision molding ensures structural stability, accurate guidance, and consistent ink flow. Membranes, stabilizing bars, and backflow prevention systems are then installed one by one. These components determine penetration consistency, vibration control, and machine protection. Each needle is subjected to multiple quality inspections. Any product that fails to meet standards is immediately discarded. The finished needles are packaged and labeled in a clean room environment, fully traceable by batch number. Finally, the sealed products are sent into EO sterilization chambers, meeting medical-grade sterility requirements. From raw materials to needle tips, from grouping to welding, from assembly to sterilization, every step is guided by stability, precision, and safety. This is the NISIMP DIA tattoo needle, the birth of a professional tattoo needle, and the creation of an artistic instrument. That's all. Thank you for watching.